Hey guys, it's Rachel with Pretty in Plants and I'm in my laundry room. Oh, it's a fluorescent light. And then I'm going to show you the plant that is in my laundry room. Okay, ready? See that plant? It's a pothos and it's actually done better than any of the pothos I've put into SEMIHYDRO. I'm going to turn it around today, but I wanted to talk about that pothos because it is doing so well and the lighting, it gets a tiny bit of west sun. It's this hideous fluorescent light in here. And I talked to a plant guy about it and he said that fluorescent lighting is actually pretty amazing plant lighting. He said that if it says daylight or cool, like if it's a cooler color fluorescent, it will do awesome on the plant. And he said label it with a date and every 6 months change it out because it's the blue color on the spectrum that's doing so well, and the blue goes out first. Super cheap, and all of us have a room with a fluorescent bulb. A weird angle, but this is actually my plant graveyard. All dirt goes right here in our bushes. The dirt. This plant is one that I got. It's waiting. I don't like to do it when the soil's wet, so I let them sit outside and they feel like they're in heaven. They have a lot of sun, and then all of a sudden, bam, I sneak up on them and I take away the dirt. So I really like this one. It let go of its dirt really easily, and it won't be hard to wash the roots and kind of get a lot of the rest of the dirt out. I'm going to do that, and then I will lay it out on a towel for an hour or two. I don't want to put this sopping wet into Leca. I really want it to dry, the roots to be pretty dry when I put them in the Leca, so that it's kind of hungry for some water. Otherwise, I feel like root rot, and I've just had issues with wet roots and Leca. So let's go to the sink. We're gonna wash these out. I like to use warm water. I wanna make them feel like they're in the spa. Okay, so now it's the next day. Plant and my roots, they're pretty dry. I could probably clean it out some more, but I feel like it's time to go ahead and get it in a pot. Pot it up really quickly and water it really quickly, and then I'll come back and kind of talk about the plant. This is Stromanthe Triostar, and as you can see, it's a beautiful plant. I fell in love with it at the nursery. I love the leaves, the red, the green. They like a lot of light because they don't have as much green in the foliage, and that's kind of all he said. So in my mind, I kind of knew where I wanted to put it. However, when I went online, it can be a little scary. I'm kind of hopeful because I have a couple of other calathea and I've put them in the water, in the water culture. I don't have a humidifier by them. I do mist them once a day in the mornings. And they're really, really doing well. So getting lots of new leaves and doing really, really well. So I'm hopeful for this plant, my Stromanthe Triostar. This is my watering can. I only use reverse osmosis water, and I add some nutrients to it. And for the pH every time is around 5 to 5.5. More about the pH on this video, but I don't want it to be too long, so probably next time. I hope y'all like this video. I hope this helps you. Leave it below in the comments if there's a certain plant you want me to repot and you want to see me put in the Leca, and I hope to see y'all next time. Thanks, bye-bye.